Hello guys, ChrissaBug here. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I got something very exciting in the mail. What's this? So, about 6 months ago, or I guess more than 6 months ago, I was contacted by the folks at Diamond Art Club because they were interested in turning some of my artwork into diamond paintings. Now, I had no idea what the hell a diamond painting was. So I started looking it up, and for those of you who are not familiar, it's kind of like paint by numbers, but you use little gemstones to place all of the colors. So it's kind of like pointillism art. Pointillism, is that the right word? Pointillism. So they were interested in picking up some of my designs. And what's really cool about Diamond Art Club is that they go through the process of actually licensing all of the artwork and crediting all of the artists and paying royalties to the artists. So it's all legit and legal. There's no stolen artwork from Diamond Art Club, which was really nice to hear. It's always nice when a company actually supports artists whose work they are using. Anywho, let's open it up. By the way, this video is not sponsored. I forgot to mention that at the beginning. This is just my artwork is turned into diamond painting and I want to share it with you guys. I do have a discount code for first-time purchases if any of you guys are interested in picking up a diamond painting from Diamond Art Club, and I get a small commission from that. But other than that, this is not like a paid video or anything. It's just me showing something that I think is cool. But anywho, here is the box that it came in. It's like a custom box, and I'm located in Sweden. All of the diamond paintings are shipped from the US, but it actually arrived fairly quickly. I want to say in about a week. So this painting is Goddess of Night. If some of you are familiar with my Goddess series, you might recognize it. And it is square-shaped diamonds. So this is actually my third release with Diamond Art Club. My first release was Feline Familiars, and that was round diamonds. And then the second release was Moon Owl Magic, and that was square diamonds as well. But I didn't get, they didn't send me Moon Owl Magic. I might have to pick it up myself because I really like that one, just the artwork itself. But anyway, I really like this one too. This is one of my favorite artworks that I've done in the Goddess series. So I'm really, really excited that it was released as a diamond painting. So here is unboxing, and comes with a toolkit. And here's the canvas itself, kind of in this protective plastic, and it's actually a pretty soft canvas. Now, I am kind of a diamond painting noob, but I have seen in other videos that not all of the canvases are of the same kind of soft quality with other companies, but I don't know myself because I've not actually worked with any other diamond paintings. But let's look at the artwork and see how the rendering came out. Here are the actual diamonds, and this is where all of the color coding is. So they're all stickers, and you can place and organize your diamond colors based on the symbols and put them in baggies, or if you have your own custom like containers, you can put them in that, and then you just put and label with these stickers. They're little sticker labels. Yeah, cool. So looking at her, the rendering looks pretty good, actually. I'm at first glance very impressed by the dress and the cloth rendering, and that is something that was really important to me when I was painting this piece just originally. Was I spent a lot of time trying to get those folds and stuff with the cloth, and so it's really cool that they were able to really nail that rendering of the cloth and the folds in this diamond painting. Super neat. So let's try and get a little bit of a closer look. I kind of want to see close up. The face overall looks pretty good, but it looks like some of the shape was changed a little bit. I kind of want to compare to the original artwork, but I really, really like how the cloth and stuff came out. I'm super impressed by that. And how I understand it, they actually have someone, it's not just run through a software, they actually have an artist who goes through and does the rendering for these paintings. But here are the symbols that look good. It's something you don't really think about until you start doing diamond painting yourself, is that having the ability to really tell the difference between those symbols is super important. So out of curiosity, I just went and grabbed a print of this piece just to kind of see like side by side, because it's kind of fun to compare. You can see in the original, the face is a little bit rounder. I wonder if I might be able to, when I go in and do the actual diamond painting, adjust just a little bit to make the face a little bit more round like the original. But overall, I think they did a really good job. I think they did an amazing job with like the hands and everything as well, the hands and the hair. My only thing is I kind of want to make her face a little bit more round again. But let's look at the actual colors of this. I think this piece has 3 or maybe 4 Aurora Borealis diamonds, which is basically sparkly sparkly kind of holographic sort of diamonds. They're like coated with a sparkly coating, which is really cool. So this kit has 48 colors. There's a lot of dark blues in this kit. Obviously, the whole painting is dark blue, but let's go through them. There's tons of 939, this kind of really dark blue, 792, 37 something something, 155. Yeah, okay, I'm not gonna read off all the colors, let's be real. But look at this. This is one of the Aurora Borealis diamonds. You can kind of see there's that extra little like holographic sparkle. 762, 210, 519, 797, 211, 3855, 209, 3860, 112. This is another Aurora Borealis sparkly. It's not one you would think about, but interesting color to make a sparkly Aurora Borealis color. I'll be interested to see where that goes. 336, lots of dark blues, Yeah, 3807, 3834, 550, 3835, 977, 754, 402, and 3864, 3841, 377, I can't read it, 373, oh my gosh, sorry you guys. I know that in some diamond art unboxing, people read all of the colors, but I'm a newbie, so. But here's another one of the Aurora Borealis ones, the 141, that's the white with the holographic, sorry, there's a cat meowing in the background right now. But yeah, here are more of the colors. So tons and tons of dark blue with more of like the orange and red accents. Ooh, 136. What is this? Okay. Here is the 4th AB Aurora Borealis diamond, and I really like that one. And there was quite a lot. Oh, I'm really excited to see where that goes. Very excited to see where that one goes. That might be one of my favorite AB colors that I've seen, actually, that dark blue with the shine on it. Okay, that is the colors, and yeah, this is just kind of the standard kit that comes with the diamond paintings. Interestingly enough, this one, it came with the wax and stuff, but it didn't come with the wax container. And this one came with the little like tweezers. The last diamond art kit that I had did not come with the tweezers. And I'm not sure if that's because it was a round diamond kit or what. But this one, now I have the tweezers. So yay, my collection of tools is complete. Cool. I do want to quickly just see where some of these Aurora diamonds go really quickly. I think that there will be a lot of them going in the sash here. These blue ones, these blue diamonds are going to go down here in the sash. It looks like there's going to be a lot right there. So that will be really cool. And then, yeah, I think this whole sash is actually going to like sparkle. I think that it's made up of maybe mostly Aurora diamonds. And then of course the moon and the magic has some in it. There's a lot of white in that magic. It's interesting to see, because this is a very glowy piece, the way I painted it. And so it's really cool to see how they try and interpret that glow in the rendering for the diamond art. Of course, the aurora is going to happen in the moon, and then there's some parts of the hair. Oh, this is going to be so cool. This is going to be so cool. I'm very excited about it. Okay. This sash is just going to sparkle so nice. While we're on the topic of diamond paintings, I also wanted to show you my first diamond painting release, which I actually completed, astoundingly enough. This is Feline Familiars. She was my first Diamond Art Club design that was released. But yeah, so this is how she came out, and she has the round diamonds, not the square diamonds. So the latest release of Goddess of Night has the square diamonds, and the Feline Familiars has the round diamonds, as you can see. And it also has some of the Aurora diamonds, like in the eyes and stuff, although it's a little bit hard to really appreciate that sparkle with the camera, but you can kind of see it turned out pretty cool, and I enjoy doing it a lot more than I expected. This is the first diamond painting I have ever done, and wow, I think I might be kind of hooked. I mean, it's just something fun to do that's away from a screen, in between stuff, you know, for me anyway. So far I have 3 designs out. So I have this one, which is Feline Familiars, that's out with Diamond Art Club. And I have the one we unboxed today. I have this one, which is Goddess of Night. Some of you might know her as Nyx if you're familiar and you follow my artwork. She's part of the Goddess series that I've been doing for, I guess it's been about a year, maybe, since I've started this series. But yes, Goddess of Night. And then I actually have another one out, but I don't have that one. It would be really cool to get that one too and just have a whole gallery of my diamond art. I'm not sure where I would put it, but I need to get some frames to hang more artwork. But anyway, and then the third one I have is Moon Owl Magic, which is actually one of my favorite pieces that I've drawn, even if it's not said to me to show off on an unboxing video. Maybe I will still just go and pick that up for myself. If you are interested in trying out some diamond painting, I do have a discount code if you want to use it. It's just ChrissaBug, and I think it is $10 off your order, but it's only your first order. And then of course that gives a little bit of a kickback to me as well. If you want to help support, of course, that's up to you. I don't know what else there is to say about it. Maybe we'll lay down a few diamonds together and I can show you the process if you are not familiar with it. I just splashed the colors everywhere. I was so carefully trying to put the color in the bag, but then I bumped myself or something, and they all just flew everywhere. On camera. Diamond painting is fun. Okay, I somewhat cleaned up the spilled diamonds. Now I will show you how you place diamonds. So I'm just gonna do this little section right here. And the good thing about this piece is there's a lot of color blocking, so it moves fairly quickly actually as far as diamond painting is concerned. Although I have to say I'm an expert, but I think there's some people who can move a lot faster than I can when it comes to diamond painting. But the cool thing about color blocking is you can really use the multi-placer tool to lay down a bunch of diamonds at one time. Although I have to say the whole checkerboard technique where you basically just put in kind of a checkerboard pattern is really, really satisfying when you place the actual diamond, because it just clicks into place really nicely. That's probably one of the most addictive things about diamond painting, is that really satisfying click. But yeah, here is this little section, and it's kind of fun to watch sped up like this because it's just satisfying to see them all fill in. And I really like the square diamonds, actually. I think that they have an even more addictive feel than the round diamonds, so that's cool, although they take a little bit more work to make sure they are lined up correctly. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video. I know it's different than our usual tutorials, but I wanted to share with you guys this cool thing, or at least I think it's a cool thing, that's been going on, and this kind of new art form that I had never really known before. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and huge shout out to patrons for making videos possible. I love you guys. If you're interested in getting some rewards and supporting my artwork and my work and tutorials and all of that kind of stuff, make sure to pop on over to Patreon and check it out. And I will talk to you next time. Bye! Hello guys.